Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'd like to share some tips for lazy-ish parents. When it comes to teaching children the alphabet, most teachers start by teaching lowercase letters first, as they account for 95% of all printed text. However, there are also teachers who teach the children only the capital letters first. And yeah, there are always those who want to get the best of both, so some teachers insist on teaching both at the same time. For me, as I can be quite lazy sometimes, I'd rather begin with capital letters and then move on to the lowercase letters. Why? The answer is simple. The principle of the least effort. This principle states that lazy people like me, and you perhaps, as you're watching this video, will choose a course of action that appears to require the smallest amount of effort or expenditure of energy. When I choose to explain the lowercase, I will need to explain 26 letters, and later for the uppercase, I will need to teach other 26 letters. However, by explaining uppercase first, I can just do 26 letters and then 12 letters only, which saves 14 letters. Or in other words, I'm able to save up to 37%. So how do I do this? Simple. The transition from uppercase to lowercase letters is fairly straightforward and fluid, as there are only approximately 10 to 12 alphabet letters that have significant changes between the uppercase and lowercase representations, which is A, B, D, E, G, H, I, L, N, Q, R, T. When it comes to distinguishing between capital and lowercase letters, the alphabet letters that aren't included here are fairly straightforward, such as C and C, K and K, O and O, V and V, and so on. So we don't have to worry about teaching them again. And the one advantage of starting teaching with the capital case letter is that it can help you to prevent the misunderstanding between the lowercase letters, between like B, D, P, and even Q. Hopefully this tip helps you parents to teach your children better. By the way, your support is what keeps me going, so don't forget to hit the like button if you'd like me to produce more content that will make your day. Okay, bye. See you.